Oh, it's a big fish.
These are magnetic compartments, so you're able to just toss it in there, know you've used it, clean up the tippet later, go on to brand new fly.
Blind nostalgia. He wants to sleep in a city that never wakes up.
You know, pretty rigid, they're not going to fall out. You know, it keeps them nice and tight in there.
The bait tripper's got awesome features. In this wind, this is going to be really nice. Be able to just drop my fly right on one of them magnet plates. I don't have to worry about it. Just let it go. I'm going to come in here and find some cannonballs. Yeah, so it's really easy to find them. The box that I want. I can look right there's some cannonballs right there. Look at these things. Easy in and out. Really easy.